If you're an e-commerce store owner looking to boost engagement, personalize the shopping experience, and skyrocket sales, you're in the right place. Today, we'll walk through the essential types of questions every product recommendation quiz should include. Stick around, and you'll discover how to create a quiz that delights your customers and drives more conversions. First, you need a solid introduction and conclusion to your quiz. Start with a welcome message to greet users and explain the quiz's purpose. A friendly, concise introduction helps set the tone, making visitors more likely to answer all the questions. At the end, a thank you message shows gratitude and directs them to their personalized product recommendations, leaving a positive final impression. Next, consider multiple choice and yes/no questions. These are quick, user-friendly, and give you valuable zero-party data straight from the source. For a more visual approach, incorporate picture choice slides. This lets customers click on images that resonate with them, perfect for fashion, home decor, and beauty brands. If you have a long list of product concerns or preferences, a drop-down question keeps the interface tidy and user-friendly. Sometimes you need deeper insights. Short text and multi-line text questions invite users to share their personal goals, concerns, or routines. This is especially important in niches like skincare, wellness, or custom products where every customer's needs are unique. To personalize recommendations and follow up with tailored offers, ask for personal details. Start simple with their name, then request an email address. Building an email list allows you to send exclusive discounts or expert advice. Just make sure to comply with privacy regulations. If relevant, you can also ask for a phone number to engage with SMS marketing campaigns or provide quick customer support. For data-driven insights, use number questions to quantify how often someone uses a product, or a date question to capture birthdays, subscription start dates, or timing preferences. This numerical and date-based information helps you tailor product recommendations even further. If you're collecting personal data, ensure trust and legal compliance with a legal terms GDPR slide. Give users a clear, clickable link to your privacy policy. Transparency here fosters confidence and encourages customers to engage fully. Need to see before and after photos or custom design files? Use a file upload question. For moments when you need to share instructions or highlight important info, a statement slide is perfect. It keeps users informed and on track. When creating your quiz, keep questions simple and concise. Use engaging visuals, images, videos, and graphics that match your brand. Where possible, personalize the experience. If someone said they have dry skin, follow up with targeted questions that lead to more accurate recommendations. The more tailored your quiz, the more users feel understood, and the more likely they'll convert. By incorporating these essential question types, you'll create a product recommendation quiz that offers real value, both to your customers and your bottom line. Thanks for watching, and good luck building your ultimate product recommendation quiz. Don't forget to subscribe for more e-commerce growth hacks, and head over to revenuehunt.com/blog for even more expert guidance. See you next time.